first glance, buying a cheap auger seems like a reasonable savings. The cost is lower, the supplier promises fast delivery times, and the production budget is saved. But in reality, choosing a cheap auger often turns out to be a financial disaster. In this video, we'll break down why such savings become the most expensive mistake for your production. Fast means fast. Short lifespan. Cheap augers are usually made from low-quality materials, which drastically reduces their lifespan. Such augers wear out quickly, corrode and deform under load. Frequent auger replacement increases the cost of purchasing new components, and unpredictable breakdowns cause production downtime, which affects order fulfillment. The real cost of error in the long run: cheap augers are more expensive than a one-time investment in a quality product. Second, reduced equipment performance. A low-quality auger, due to inaccurate manufacturing and the use of weak materials, operates at a lower efficiency. Material movement becomes slower. Difficulties arise when transporting viscous, abrasive, or heavy substances. Consequence: it's a slowdown in the production process, and customers are left dissatisfied because of increased delivery times. The loss of productivity directly hits the company's revenue. Third, increased repair costs. Cheap augers put additional stress on the equipment's mating mechanisms. This leads to accelerated wear of bearings, motors, and seals. As a result, manufacturers face regular breakdowns and costly repairs. The consequences include increased maintenance and parts replacement costs and frequent downtime, which hinders the stable operation of the plant. Repair of equipment can cost many times more than a quality auger. Fourth, problems with product quality. Cheap augers often suffer from poor assembly accuracy, resulting in uneven movement or damage to materials. This is especially critical in the food, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. Subsequently, products do not meet quality standards, and complaints and returns from customers occur. Loss of reputation and customer confidence, which hurts the long-term prospects of the business. Fifth, hidden energy costs. Cheap augers often have lower efficiency and increase equipment energy costs. Even a small increase in energy consumption over the course of a year results in significant losses. Consequences: increased energy bills and reduced overall production reliability. Unforeseen energy costs negate the savings from buying cheap equipment. Why is it better to choose a quality auger? Screws made of quality materials last 2 to 3 times longer than cheap analogs. Precise design and reliable operation minimize downtime and increase efficiency. Choosing the right auger reduces the strain on your equipment, reducing maintenance costs. Modern augers operate more efficiently, reducing energy consumption, and engineering precision ensures they meet the requirements of even the most stringent industries. Friends, a cheap auger may seem like a tempting alternative, but the consequences of this choice often go beyond savings. Substandard equipment reduces productivity, increases costs, and damages a company's reputation. Investing in a quality auger is not a cost, but a strategic investment in the reliability, productivity, and profitability of your business. Our company specializes in high-quality auger products. We develop design documentation and implement turnkey projects of any complexity. We use in-house developed equipment that allows us to precisely set the geometry of turns. Our team of COs is always ready to answer your questions and help you choose the best solutions for your production. Leave your requests on the links in the description.